Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a 4C Max. You need to find the relay for the radiator fan, the cooling fan. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll talk how you can test the relay, and we will guys have a video why 4C Max overheat, so make sure to check it out if you need help with that as well. That we will demonstrate on that generation here from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, let me tell you, you have guys three different fuse boxes. One is under the hood, one is behind the glove box, kind of like in the feet on the passenger side, one is in the trunk. Luckily, we will be guys working right here, okay, under the hood. So that actually makes things a little bit easier because it's really easy to access. So if your radiator fan does not work, okay, check that relay, check the fuses as well. We have a special video about the fuses on our channel. That's the fuse box cover right here. It will be in the corner. All you have to do to open it, okay, you need to pry that thing back, pull up, and you pull that fuse box lid out. Now if you look right here, the numbers of the fuses are printed on the back side of the fuse box lid, and they correspond to what we have specifically here when you hold it that way. Good news, you have the numbers. Bad news, guys, you don't know what they're for. So in this video we'll show you that today. So if you look right here, we need to locate relay number 12. That relay, guys, will be that huge relay over here. Now if you guys need to see how to test the relay, okay, or where to buy a new relay from for a really good price and quick shipping, I'll put the link in the description of the video below to both of those things, so you can check out how to test the relay and how to buy one if you need to. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.